Hi guys, right, we've got something a bit different tonight. We'll do a bit of an unboxing. Just had this through from Banggood, and yeah, they bang the boxes up good. It's an MB Models mn-168 1/12 rock crawler, meant to be fully licensed by Land Rover. For the price they come in at, I think about 75 British pounds. I had some vouchers from purchases that went wrong, so yeah, I got it for less. But it's got separate ESC and receiver, oil-filled shocks, portal axles with metal gears, beadlock wheels. Sounds like it's a nice spec. I've not looked at it yet. I have opened the box just to make sure that nothing seems broken, so yeah. A bag of stuff, NM models. We have instruction sheet, one page, does have it in English as well, which is nice. Shows all the functions of the controller, accessory fitting, got some stickers. Don't know, card thing. USB charger. Accessories, so I've got some vents, mirrors, wipers. More stickers, and looks like mirrors, indicators, that sort of thing. Come on. Packaged quite well, really. Controller. Nice little foam wheel, okay, little thumbstick, very basic, on off, steering trim, throttle rate, lights, bind setup. Feels alright in the hand, to be fair. And there we go. Box falls on the floor. Okay. No, got a nice weight to it. Feels quite good actually. Nice plastics. Yellow. Oh, there's your battery. 1200 milliamp, 7.4 lithium ion. Right. So by the looks of it, we've got headlights, indicators, tail lights, indicators. Well, opening doors. Nice scale interior. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, oil-filled shocks don't feel like they've got a lot of oil in them, but maybe that's being a bit too picky. But no, nice little thing. I was watching another channel showing these. I think it was an American channel, I can't remember what it was, but they said, I wonder what it's going to be like, with a few options on it. Because yeah, you've got metal chassis sides, you've got plastic drive shafts, plastic links everywhere. So of course, while I was on there, I thought we'd have a little look. So we'll run it stock, see how it goes, and then we can put a bit of weight in it. So I've got metal drive shafts, slider drive shafts, metal shocks. These feel like friction shocks, so probably the kit ones are going to be better. We can see these are, I believe, like the top spring hangers, not entirely sure. Ali, this is, I think, the electronics tray at the back. This is the front plate, and I'm not entirely sure, but looking at these, they are the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they should be all of these. With this being a new model, not entirely sure. They look fine actually. So we've got some little metal upgrades to go with it. A little bit of extra weight on a crawler never really hurts. Again, it all feels quite nice actually. The tyres feel grippy. So yeah, first crawler, first one on the channel, first one for me. So I think we will give it a go in all its plastic glory. And then yeah, move on from there. Put some bits on, see how it goes. So yeah, get that battery charged. Right, got a little scale bits on it, so you got your Range Rover badges, little mirrors with glass, got wipers. Again, little plate, Range Rover badges. Battery's charged. Oh, there's a little grill in front as well there. Quite cool. Battery's charged, didn't take long at all. So I don't know if they come with a bit of charging in them already, but switch it on. Little switch on the bottom. So yeah, we've got headlights, side lights, indicators. Let's just come on as soon as you start moving. At the back, yeah, so we've got some side lights, no brake lights, we've got lights, indicator. What else we got on here? Right, so 2 of the buttons on here are blanks. So the 2 that I showed you at the bottom, these 2 are nothing. There's not even buttons. And the top 2, got, oh right, okay. So backlights stay on all the time, so you can reflect in there. Front ones you can turn on or off, and you've got 2 speeds on the transmission. So cool. Next video we'll do a bit of running, a bit of crawling, and then probably in the same one as that we'll pop some bits on, see how it performs with a bit of weight, and yeah, we'll go from there. But to be honest, it's quite a sturdy old thing as it is. Yeah, impressed.